I was shopping for my next Book Nook build online when I came across the Magic World by Fifijoy. I know it says JoinCon, but I have been purchasing Book Nooks from Fifijoy lately because they have really amazing customer service and a lot of options. I decided to go with this one because it's been a hot minute since I built one with a magic theme. Thought it was about time. A moment of truth. Very well wrapped. Fifijoy does a great job at making sure everything is wrapped nicely. I love these plastic envelopes. They're thicker than average and they're great for reusing. We have a lighting system. Oh, look at the little hat. And then the crystal ball and the screwdriver. Dust cover, you know how I feel about those. Okay, here's some instructions. Okay, these are not in color. I'm hoping that doesn't create more of a challenge, but I've done plenty of these that are all in black and white. Ooh, lots of book stickers. I have a feeling I'm going to be sticking books for a while, even though that doesn't make a lot of sense. You know what I mean. Finally, let's unwrap these and I'll be right back. Okay, I thought I would save you the sound of me fighting the plastic wrap. We have all of our wooden pieces. They look nicely printed. I do believe we are ready to go. Of course, a magic bookshop needs lots of books and little wand boxes. There seemed to be an extra piece in the box today. I haven't quite figured out where it goes yet. Leo, are you helping? Are you cute? A few steps in now. Some wands, books, hats, little desk, piano. I could not be more pleased with how the Magic World turned out. This was a really fun build. I know I pretty much say that every time, but I guess it's true. I love all the little elements. There are some kind of Harry Potter references in here loosely. Clearly it can't be exact, but you know, we have our white owl there. I guess that's kind of an L. Some wand boxes. Lots of books. Peep Voyage of the Dawn Treader by C.S. Lewis there. You get a lot of really random stickers when you do these sets. It's kind of fun to see what they're going to send. Check out that little witch's hat. And the desk and the little wand stand there. I love the funky stairs. So many really fun elements. Check out the kitty cat. I highly recommend this build. It took me about 5 hours altogether, but that includes stopping. You should check it out. Magic House by Fifijoy.